welcome to Sir Joe Maths class. If this is the first time you are watching this page, subscribe to the page, like the page, leave a comment and share with your friends. And then if you are a math teacher and you find this page useful, you can recommend it to your students and your fellow math teachers as well. Now, let's look at this question. It says, find from the first principle the derivative of f of x is equal to x squared. Remember, a first video has been uploaded. The derivative of a function's formula. Go and watch it and you will understand it very well. Now let's write our solution and try to solve it and see. So we have f of x is equal to x squared, but we know that y is equal to f of x. So instead of writing f of x, we are going to write y. So we have y is equal to x squared. But remember, we are saying that whenever there is a change in x, what will be the corresponding change in what? Y. So here, let's add a change to both sides. So we have y plus change in y is equal to, we have x plus change in x. But remember, x is squared, so you write your squared here. We want to know if there is a change in x, how is y going to correspond with that change? So it's the change in y that we need. So change in y is equal to x plus change in x squared minus y. But remember, we are saying that y is equal to f of x, and f of x is equal to x squared. So instead of y, we will write x squared. So we have change in y is equal to, let's express this one. Here we are going to get x plus change in x plus change in x minus x squared. So you see, x plus change in x is squared, so it means it is 2. That is what has been expressed here. So we have change in y is equal to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all squared minus change in x. Maybe someone will wonder why we had change in x all squared, or how come we had it. I have a video that has the title Binomial Expansion. Please watch that video and you will understand this one. So we have here, we will see that x squared and we have minus x squared here, so they can cancel out. So we have change in y is equal to 2x change in x plus change in x all squared. But remember, once we want to know the change that is occurring, we divide both sides by change in x. So we have change in x all over change in x all over change in x. So when we get here, what we do is change in y over change in x is equal to, change in x can cancel change in x, and change in x can also cancel one change in x here. So we are going to get 2x plus change in x. But remember, we are saying that it is what? Approaching 0. The change in x is what? Approaching 0. So we can say that f prime of x is equal to the limit of change in x. It is what? Approaching 0, right? So we have 2x plus we are saying that change in x is approaching what? 0. So instead of change in x, we write what? 0 here, and which is giving us 2x. So it says that f prime is equal to 2x. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends. And then if you have any problem, you can call my number or WhatsApp me on 054-972-1753 or 0552-973-647. Thank you for watching.